What's up, everybody? Welcome to my basement, my little basement workshop you see behind me. Tonight we're going to be talking about shop vacs and why having the most power isn't necessarily the best. Because it got this technology DeWalt's got called the Stealth Sonic. It is by far the best shop vac, in my opinion, out on the market. And you're not sacrificing that much power to just have a better overall experience when you're using a shop vac. As somebody who uses a shop vac all the time in my two bowling pro shops where dust is a huge problem, I'm constantly listening to that over 100 decibels sound all day, every day. I don't wear hearing protection. I should, but now I don't have to anymore because DeWalt came out with the best shop vac in the world. And I'm going to show you why in this video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks, everybody. All right, let's get this kicked off here with the M12 Fuel 1.6 gallon wet dry shop vac. What we do is we got a little decibel reader, as you can see right there, and we're going to turn it on and show you that it's making 80 to 81 decibels, okay, which isn't too bad compared to some other shop vacs, but this is a smaller 12-volt shop vac. This is good for like small jobs, cleaning up your car, that type of stuff. It also has a nice clip that mounts to the wall. It does create some good suction, but trust me, there's way better options out there to create better suction and more power. On to the old Homer bucket shop vac. We just flicked it on there. Let's see what this makes decibels. 99 decibels. It teeters between 99 and 98. Now how this works is you buy the Home Depot bucket and then you buy that little shop vac part that goes on top and you just turn your Home Depot bucket into a shop vac. Comes in handy when you need it. You know, pretty lightweight, pretty easy to store. Not that great suction wise, but in a pinch and being cheap, you can still get the job done with it. But man, look at that. Just went over 100 decibels. I don't know. I don't like the loudness of it all. All right, now we're on the Ridgid wet dry shop vac. Now for years, Ridgid's been considered the best when it comes to shop vacs. Just flicked it on and it's making 99 decibels. Oh, 100. It just bounced up to 100. Just like that Homer bucket did. Very loud, very obnoxious. It does have some power. It does suck good. But again, very loud, very obnoxious. I think this shop vac is like $99.95. So it's not the cheapest shop vac around either. But they always do go on sale. Up next, the DeWalt Stealth Sonic Shop vac. You can tell already how much quieter it is. Look at that. 77 decibels. The little M12 Fuel cordless one was making 80-81. This plugs into the wall and is making less decibels than that Milwaukee Fuel, okay? That's how crazy good this is. And you are not sacrificing that much power. It sucks really, really nice. And if you put a bag in there, your filter lasts forever. All right, now let's get into seeing how well they pick up sawdust in a shop. We're going to start it off with the M12 Fuel here. You see, we got a bunch of sawdust we got to clean up. So let's get cleaning up and let's see how she does. She does okay. She's okay. She's not she's a pretty good shop vac. But I will say, once it gets about a quarter of the way filled, this shop vac definitely loses a lot of power because that filter gets clogged up. And the M12 battery, it does not last that long. It lasts maybe 10 minutes of work time. All right, now we're going to try the Stealth Sonic, and we're going to show you exactly that you're not losing that much power, but you're gaining so much better quality of just work. You know, who wants to listen to that loud noise all the time? I know I don't. Look at that, sucking it right up. No friggin' problem. I'd rather have this vacuum over a vacuum that's a little bit more powerful, but a lot of it noisy. This is why I think this is the bee's knees. Now the little Homer shop vac here, don't expect much from this. This is just your typical junkiest type of shop vac you can buy. It's good for cleaning out cars and little jobs and that type of stuff. But for big jobs, you probably don't want to use this shop vac. What we use it for, when our wash tub overflows in the basement sometimes, and the water spills over, we keep this right next to the wash tub so we can just suck it up with it, and that's what we use this shop vac for. That's only used for that. But it still does the job. Not bad for $39.95 plus $5 for the bucket. Not bad. So about $45, you got yourself a nice little portable shop vac. But it's still loud as hell. Noisy and loud, I do not like. And last but certainly not least, this beast of a shop vac. It's a very good shop vac. Very good shop vac. It's just really noisy, okay? It's super noisy. It will suck up this dust. Absolutely no problem, as you see right there. But the noise I just cannot do anymore. I'm getting older and crankier, and the crankier and older I get, the less noise I want to hear. That's why I recommend the DeWalt Stealth Sonic Shop Vac. Spend the extra $20 and enjoy using your tool more. Because if you're not enjoying using your tool, you're not going to use it, people. Just remember that. All right, guys. Please like and subscribe. Peace.